Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to explore one of the most powerful features of Autosnipe AI, their copy trading feature. So if you are new to trading or just want to maximize your profits without spending all your time analyze the markets, this feature could be exactly what you are looking for. In this video, we will walk you through how it works, the benefits, and how you can start using it right away in 2024 and beyond. So if you want to check out Autosnipe AI, you can use the link that is given in the description in order to save 10% on trading fees on this platform. Now, this is Autosnipe AI, so you can come to Autosnipe AI and first you can connect your Phantom wallet with it. Here you need to click on the copy trading option and it will show you that you can start copy trading in 3 simple steps. But before we get into how you can activate copy trading at Autosnipe AI, we first need to understand what is copy trading. So copy trading allows you to automatically copy the trades of any experienced and successful traders on the Autosnipe AI platform. Instead of making your own trades, you can follow a professional trader and you can mirror their trades in real time. This is especially helpful if you are a beginner or someone who doesn't have the time to analyze the market all day. So over here, it will ask you to provide the target address. Now, in order to get the address, what I'm going to use is dexscreener.com. So you can come to Dex Screener and you can click on Solana so that it could show you all of the meme coins that are based on Solana. Now, once you are on this page, you need to select any of the meme coins of your choice, and here you need to click on the top traders section here. Now it will show you the list of all the top traders, so you just have to simply select that particular trader whose strategy aligns with your goals and your risk tolerance. You can filter the traders by their win rate, trading style, and even the type of assets they focus on. So for example of this video, let's say I'm interested in this particular trader, so you need to click on this arrow option and it will redirect you on SolScan. Over here, this is their wallet address, so in order to copy it you need to simply click on the copy option. Again, this is just an example and I'm not getting into the top traders list. Okay, so over here you need to paste the address and click on this arrow button right next to the address. Now after waiting for some time, it will show you bunch of other information relating to the trade that you are going to copy. So here in the right hand section, first option that you have is buy exact for. So here you need to allocate the amount that you want to spend in this a particular copy trading. So here you need to enter the amount in Solana. You can even do it with the help of the percentage, so you can select it and provide the percentage option. After that, in the minimum Solana option, you need to select the minimum amount of Solana that you want to allocate for your copy trading. Low balance can also result in deactivation, so you need to make sure of this thing as well. Next, we have the option of coin pair platform. So you can select either Radium or you can even select Pump.Fun. It's completely your choice. With Pump.Fun, fares might involve a slightly more risky, but if you want to do it, you can definitely select it over here. Next, we have the option of stop loss and the trigger price. Now, in order to protect yourself from the potential losses, you need to make sure that you always set stop loss limits for copying trades. So over here, you can either provide your own stop loss limit percentage or you can even make changes into these ones. If you want to add one more, you can click on this plus icon and provide your own entries. For the advanced settings, you can click on it and here first you can set the minimum threshold for copying by trader, so you can provide the minimum threshold limit over here. Then you can select the maximum amount per token, so you can provide the value over here as well. Next, it give you the option of priority fee, so you don't need to change anything over here because Autosnipe's AI will going to optimize the priority fees for you. Next, you can set the bribery amount over here, so you need to enter the bribery amount. Now once you are done with all these filters, you need to click on the activate copy trading option, and from that moment every trade that is made by the trader that you have chosen will be automatically copied to your account. This includes their buy and sell orders, allowing you to mirror their trading decisions in real time. You can even adjust your performance any time, whether you want to increase your allocation or stop copying a trader if their strategy is no longer working for you. So this is how you can start using copy trading feature with the help of Autosnipe AI. And again, if you want to use their services, you can use the link that is given in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.